Hello, welcome. This is a short little 5-part series, an introduction to meditation for beginners. In these short sessions, we'll look at some things that I would consider are important to understand as we embark upon a meditation practice, things we might need to think about and even make plans for. Hopefully this will be helpful and allow you to visualize what you're going to do and how to make it effective. Now, before we start, I'd like you, please, to pause this video and go and get a sheet of paper, maybe and a pad, and also a pen, and if possible, but don't worry, but if you've got one handy, a coloured texter or marker. So let's pause the video now so that you can go and get that, because we want to use that in this session. Om. Okay, so hopefully you're back now and you have got at least some paper to write on and a pen. Now, what I'd like you to do is write down, if you've got a coloured marker, otherwise in capital letters and underlined, why do I want to do meditation? Please write that down, underline it. We want this to be a strong heading because this is something that I'd like you to look back on in the future, after you have embarked upon some weeks or even months of meditation exploration. Okay, why do I want to meditate? Why am I doing meditation? So, let's take a couple minutes for you to jot down a few reasons. And you can do it in point form, or 1, then 2, then 3. Write as much as you like. We're only going to take a couple minutes. And to give you an example, you might be wanting to meditate so that you can help with anxiety. Or maybe you feel that your mind is really crazy and out of control or very negative. Or maybe you just want to take some time to slow everything down and get a sense of your own mind and perhaps look at how you can grow as a human being. It really depends on how you view meditation from the outside. So, for a couple minutes, please now jot down a few ideas that are important to you in your life right now, as we look at introducing meditation into your life. Okay? And I'm going to sit here and just do some gentle breathing with my eyes closed for 2 minutes. And if you finish early, you can also do that. You'll just be sitting with your eyes closed and enjoy being quiet and relaxed, and maybe focus on the feeling of your breath. Okay, go for it. Okay, so if you're still writing, that can be enough for now. You can always write more at another time. Let's try now a simple meditation. Doing as I am. Close your eyes. Sit comfortably. It doesn't matter what position you're in, certainly in the beginning. We want to have a comfortable position. Eyes closed. We're taking the time to be still and quiet. It's a very simple thing. And yet, there's a great depth to this. Your whole life can open up just by slowing down, stopping everything else, becoming quiet. Feeling the breath. Having a relaxed breath. Being relaxed in this moment. This simple moment. And exploring what it might feel like to have a peaceful state of mind. Okay, now through the mouth, have a big breath in and a deep sigh. Great, and then open your eyes. Alright, so that's a taste of a simple and yet profound meditation practice. Consider that a starting point. Foundational practice, something to build upon. Okay, so you've just written down perhaps a couple or a few ideas about why you want to meditate. I think that's important because if we're going to embark upon something as serious as meditation, something that requires a lot of work, persistence, and commitment, well, we want to be clear on why we're doing it, at least on why we think we're doing it in the beginning. And that's the best we can do in the beginning. We don't really know what's possible. We haven't opened up the unknown parts of our own mind. There are many things that we've never seen about ourselves that we can learn about. And we don't know how we're going to feel about that. So if you think meditation is just about relaxation, well, please let me warn you, that is only the beginner level entry point. Of course we need to become relaxed. That's vital. We start with the similar meditation practice we just tried, becoming quiet, still, relaxed, peaceful. But that's just the beginning. I assure you, it's a wonderful, amazing adventure. It can enrich your life like you've never imagined. But you need to work out in the beginning why you're going to do it. because if this is going to be something that actually lasts, sticks around, becomes a part of your future, you need to be sure that it's something worthwhile for you. And don't forget that the benefits are beyond your imagination and what you might expect at this time. Now, we don't want it to get too heavy in the beginning, so let's release some pressure using the breath. Through the mouth, have a big breath in and a deep sigh. Close your eyes. Let's do it again, what we did before. Just find a space to sit in, a private space that you can sit quietly in a relaxed way. Become still, and then start to focus on the feeling of your gentle resting breath. It could be through the mouth or through the nose. Either way is fine, whatever feels good for you right now. If we continue with this type of practice, we're going to learn so much about the breath, this powerful and mysterious tool that we have within our body that affects our mind. At this point, we are just relaxing into this simple, quiet moment, sitting peacefully with a gentle, relaxed breath. There's a feeling to this. Is it familiar or something new and unknown? Being peaceful and relaxed. Is it a place that you come to often in your life? Okay. Again, through the mouth, have a big breath in and a deep sigh. And open your eyes. One more idea to finish this session. If we're thinking about, why am I meditating? And if for you it's new, why would I want to start meditating? Well, what do we think meditation is? It's really interesting how we can have ideas about things that we haven't actually done beforehand. We don't really know what it is, but we have some expectations of it. Is it like that for you? What do you think meditation is? You might like to write that down as well. And with that piece of paper, I recommend that you put it up somewhere on the wall. Somewhere in your bedroom maybe, or bathroom. And if you come along this path of meditation, at some point you should come back to that sheet and look at what you've written, what you were looking for in the beginning, and then you'll be able to see whether you have started to get any of those benefits, or whether you've got something completely different. What is meditation? Well, you'll get many answers from many people, and I would say that The most important thing is for you to work out for yourself what it is through experience. Try the practices, try the tools, and see what opens up. And just know that what you think you're learning after 3 months, 3 years, or 20 years is going to keep changing. Your understandings will keep opening. You'll see more and more subtlety and realize how brilliant it is and how much it can give you. It can give you everything. Happiness and health. Thanks for your time. We'll continue with this beginner series soon, and I hope that they are beneficial for you. Take care.